what they call, this is a Ganoderma water extract. They put into this second boiler. They boil for 6 hours to reduce the water. Okay? Afterward, they put in maltodextrin, a kind of starch, to make it into powder. When you buy this type of Ganoderma, there is a lot of problem. First, when you use water to extract the Ganoderma, you can only extract 25 to 30%. 70% is wasted. Secondly, it's the water. All water contain minerals. You agree? All good water contain minerals. When you have 1 ton of water, okay, you just take out 1 glass and drink. It is good mineral water, correct? But if 1 ton of water keep on evaporate, you know, until you get 1 kilogram of extract, that is no good. Because any contaminant in water, after you evaporate all the water, it becomes very, very concentrated. And many people, after taking this kind of Ganoderma, they have kidney problem. They have liver problem. That's why you go to internet, they say, don't take Ganoderma. It causes liver problem. Don't take Ganoderma. It causes kidney problem. But in DXN, many people have fatty liver. Many people have this, liver hardening, fibrous, this liver. Many people, the kidneys already shrunk. But after taking our Ganoderma, everything become okay. Now, can you understand why 1 Ganoderma causes liver failure, kidney failure? And 1 Ganoderma save liver, save kidney? DXN Ganoderma? What's the difference between the two? It's not the Ganoderma. It's the way of treatment. So water boiling, out. This technology should never be used for Ganoderma. And you're not taking pure Ganoderma. Because in order to make it the powder, they put in dextrin. So the capsule, 75% is starch. This kind of company is represented by this Taiwanese company.